Hey, it's Jamaison, and I am in my studio area because I got a box. And it came from my friends at D&L, and I got to unbox it and show it to you. This came, and I got home late last night and didn't get a chance to take a look at it. So it is now early Friday morning, and I was thinking about this thing all night long. So I'm eager to open it and see what's inside. I thought I would just share it all with you. So Maggie and team at D&L, I always appreciate you and your little surprises and gifts that you send with us. Oh, listen to this. We can't wait to hang with you at the GlassCraft and Bead Expo. Here's a preview of the fun glass that we will be bringing with us. Have fun. Okay, so I happen to know, because Maggie and I have been in communication, that they did make some special production, both Oceanside and Bullseye Glass, that they are debuting at the Expo, which is in April, which is 2 weeks away. And so I think this is some of the Bullseye version. Not only are they debuting it at the Expo, but they are giving some away at Glass After Dark. So if you haven't seen all of my posts about it, Glass After Dark is the opening night show on Wednesday night, April 15th at the GlassCraft and Bead Expo. The tickets are only $99. There's a drink ticket included with that. We are going to have a ton of fun. Maggie and her husband Dustin are going to be special guests as part of that. We have all sorts of special guests. Jennifer from Morton Systems that you might be familiar with. We've got Leanne from the Expo itself, and Taylor Odish, who works for Oceanside Glass. So we're going to have some really great conversations that night. We're going to have a whole lot of fun, and we've got a ton of prizes. And so D&L has already committed to giving away some special glass during that event. So if you haven't gotten your tickets, they're still available. You have to get your tickets through the GlassCraft and Bead Expo. I'm trying not to make a mess, if you can tell. And you can go directly to glasscraftexpo.com to get those tickets. I've tried to make it easy for you, and I've put a link to the event right at the very top of my website, Jamaison.com. And so if that's easier, just go to Jamaison.com and link through to the GlassCraft and Bead Expo, and you can get your tickets there. So, oh yeah, this is going to be exciting. Let's see what we get here. I'm so excited. As I said, they have done some exclusive meaning. They custom had sheets poured just for D&L. You will only be able to get these from D&L. I assume they might be available on their website, but they're debuting them at the Expo, so I don't think you can get them now. But they had both sheets made of Bullseye Glass and of Oceanside Glass. Different colors, I'm sure, but this is just going to be the Bullseye. So let's take a look and see what we got. I guess I know what I'm doing this weekend. I'm going to be playing with some glass. Oh my. Wow. Okay. Look at this. Let's see if I can, they pack it so well. Oh wow. Okay, so this appears to be a beautiful yellow and green streaky, but I don't know if you can tell, there's a rainbow irid. I think that's rainbow. Yeah, a rainbow irid to it. Look how beautiful and springy and seasonal that looks. That is absolutely gorgeous. I don't know who thought that up, but way to go, team. That is really like seasonal. That's perfect for Easter and for spring. Oh, wow. And here's another beautiful piece. Oh, I don't know the colors, but get that tape off. This one also beautiful. This is almost like a periwinkle maybe, and white with a rainbow irid on it. So beautiful pieces of glass. Oh, thank you guys. I really appreciate that. I am going to have some fun playing. If you are interested in this, you're going to have to look at D&L to acquire it. but you could win some. So again, if you're coming to the GlassCraft and Bead Expo and you don't have anything to do on Wednesday night, you need to come to the Glass After Dark event. We're going to have a ton of fun, a ton of giveaways. I'm actually going to do a whole different video to talk about the giveaways, so stay tuned. But I'm almost $10,000 worth of prizes that we have to give away at this thing. I'm blown away. And that will include some really neat Oceanside and Bullseye Glass from the team at D&L. So thanks, Maggie and team. We'll see you in just a couple of weeks. Thanks, everybody. Bye-bye.